Hello everyone, this is Migo Technologies. I'm here to introduce to you our new software which is called Nextgen Advanced ICD Management System. The Nextgen ICD Management System is a system that monitors and manages the processes of clearing containers from receiving manifests to clearing containers at the ICD. So to access our system, you have to have an account which consists of a username and a password. After logging into our system, you'll see that this system has different functionalities and different modules. So our first step, we're going to register our vessel. To do that, you click Manager, then you click Register Ship, fill in your vessel name, voyage number, select shipping line, vessel call sign, approximate quantity of containers received by the manifest, confirmed quantity of containers received per manifest, discharged at, you select TPA or TIX, fill in the discharge date, then click Save. After registering our ship, the next step, we're going to upload our manifest. To do that, you click Upload Manifest, select the ship name that you registered. If the container was transported by the ICD, you click Yes, and if not, you click No. Manifest location. Here we upload our manifest that has been provided to us by the Revenue Authority. After uploading our manifest, you click Upload. After the manifest has been uploaded, it will show you the numbers of container that has been included in that manifest. So the next step is to receive the container, the ICD. So you click Container Receiving, click Container Getting Pass, select the ship that you've registered. All this other information will generate automatically from the manifest. Then the next step, you select the container number, and the rest of the information will generate itself automatically from the manifest. The next step, you select the transporter that has transported the container from port to ICD. Next, driver's name, truck name and description, the security officer receiving the container, and the condition of the seal. Then click Generate Get-in Pass. This Get-in Pass will allow the container to now enter the ICD. So after entering the ICD, the container will have to offload. To do that, you're going to generate another Get-in Pass that will allow the container to offload. To do that, you click ICD Container Receiving, select the Get-in Pass that you've created, select the clerk responsible to receive the container, the current container location, fill in the carrying date, the document control number. Then the next category is to inspect the general condition of the container as of how it has reached the ICD. After that, you record in your remarks, then receive and generate offloading pass. This offloading pass will allow the container to offload from the vehicle to be kept at ICD. After generating the offloading pass, the system will automatically notify the shipping line that the container has been offloaded at a particular ICD using Codeco EDI. After successfully receiving our container, the next step is container verification. So for those containers that require container verification, you'll click Container Operations, then click In-Yard Booking, fill in the booking date. Okay. Select the containers that need to be verified. fill in the TANSAD number, select the clearing and forwarding company responsible for those containers, booking remarks, if any, click add, then click save this booking. After saving the booking, then you provide this document to the operational staff for container verification. Then the next step is to record the details of the container verification. To do that, you click container verification, select the BL number that has been verified, select the container that needs to be verified, select custom stripping, TRA official that has participated in the verification, ICD official that has participated in the verification, clearing and forwarding company, clearing and forwarding official, exam status, remarks. After recording the details of the verification process, you click save. Then the system will record and generate the costs associated in the verification process. When the client needs to know the charges associated, the system facilitates payments of containers at the ICD. To do that, click billing and invoicing, click charges by date, fill in the due date, select the clearing and forwarding company, select the clearing and forwarding agent, click OK, then fill in the BL number, click add. After that, the system will generate the charges and costs associated to that particular BL or container automatically. When the client has received their charges and they're ready to pay, need to create an invoice. To do that, you click container for invoice, click fill in the BL number that you need to be invoiced, click search. After doing that, the system will provide you the BL and the consignee. Click proceed. After that, fill in the D&DO number, fill in the D&DO date, release number, release date, specify who VAT is going to be paid to, click send to invoice. After doing that, the bill will be sent to the invoicing section to prepare for invoice. The bill has been sent to invoicing. You will need to create an invoice. To do that, click create pro forma invoice. Select the bill number that you sent earlier. Select the clearing and forwarding company. Select clearing and forwarding agent. Click OK. Then the system will generate the charges and costs associated to that particular container or bill automatically. When the client is ready to make payment, the system allows you to record and receive payment and as well as generate the tax invoice and receipt. To do that, click on payment collection, click receipt, fill in the invoice number, click lookup, select the mode of payment, select the type of currency used in payment, fill in the reference number, issue receipt. By doing that, the system will automatically generate the tax invoice and receipt. So after payment has been made, the next step is to create the loading order. The loading order is a document that allows the transporter to carry the container from ICD to the place of delivery. So to do that, click security, click prepare loading order, fill in the receipt number of the container that is going to be loaded, click search, select CF agent, clearing and forwarding agent, select clearing and forwarding ID, authorized by the staff that has authorized the loading order. Verify the container that needs to be loaded. Enter transporter's name. Truck details. Driver's name. License number. Click create loading order. So after creating this, after clicking creating loading order, the system will provide you a document that will allow the transporter to load the container from ICD to the place of delivery. Then the next step is to create the interchange document. An interchange document is a document that indicates the condition of the container before leaving the ICD. To prepare an interchange document, click Prepare Interchange Document. Fill in the loading order number that you just created. Click Search. Then the system will provide you the BL number, container, and the consignee name. Click Proceed. System will allow you to specify the condition of the container before leaving the ICD. After inspecting the container's condition, you select the agent participating in interchange. Next, you write any remarks if recorded. Then click Record and Print. The system will generate the interchange of a particular container automatically. After generating the get pass and interchange, the documents need to be sent for verification to ensure that all the procedures and processes have been followed correctly. To do that, click Manager, click Verify Get Pass, fill in the Get Pass number, click Verify, and the system will show you that a particular container has been verified. And now this means that the container is ready to be released. So in order to release the container, click Security, click Container Delivery, fill in the Get Pass number, click Clear, and now the container has been cleared, and the system will automatically notify the shipping line that the particular container has left ICD using Codeco EDI. The system has got a comprehensive and detailed operational and management reports that allows staff and managers to get an insight and make informed operational, financial, and business decisions.